What's up, y'all? I'm back to another video. Ignore that pillow. Some quick angle shots of the car for y'all. Alright, today what we're going to be doing is putting some insulation in the car. I don't know if anybody else has a problem, but I have the 6-speed manual and the transmission tunnel just lets off like an excessive amount of heat. I read online forums, heard it's pretty normal. It's my first Corvette, so I don't know too much. Anyways, what I'm going to do is put some more insulation inside of that tunnel, or not inside of it, but on the outside, and then on top over there in the center console. We've already begun on the other side, so yeah, I'll be joining mid-video, but let me go ahead and show y'all what I've done so far. So I took out the seat, and as you can see, so before the insulation, before I added anything, it was just this little thin piece of insulation, like this much, and this cardboard piece was stuck on here. And like, I would put my hand up to this, like it's still right now hot to the touch. Like I'm talking about, I can't hold my finger there for that long. So this is really thick material. I just shoved it in from all the way back here to the front up here. It stops right there, just on the side. Should fit pretty flush still. Haven't put it together, so I don't know. And here I lift up there under the console. I'm gonna put some there too. Just gotta remove another bolt there so I don't have to take that completely apart. And the seat is only held on by 4 bolts. They're size 15 millimeter. And also these clips, you gotta take these little blue pins out right here, lift this up a little bit, or on the other end. And then on this one right here, you gotta be careful when you take it off. It has a wire you gotta push together, the little clips, and then you able to pop it up like that, like pull the little lever on it. But go ahead and finish insulating it, and I'll show you guys where I'm at. All right, so got the insulation in on both sides. Put it on the driver's side from right there. As you can see, it's right back there. That's it right there. Goes from right about there all the way back to right here. And then I have some under the armrest from, I believe, up here, like about halfway, all the way up until about this point. I need some more over here, but I'll probably do something slightly different for that area. But for now, there's that. And there's no issues, even though it was a lot thicker. Everything went back as normal. That's just an LED light, so don't worry about it. And this material, here's what I got. It was like 51 bucks at O'Reilly's. And yeah, here's the passenger side. I already got the center console put together and everything. Very flush. You know, thickness did not change anything at all, very little. Now it's time to put the seats back in. All right, now we got the seats in. Everything looks amazing. And also, I don't think I've mentioned anything in a previous video about the harmonic balancer that I've installed. Mine was getting wobbly, the OEM one, so I went ahead and got the ATI super dampener. Let me get a flashlight so you guys can see it. So give me a second. Also, another thing I've added is this little Corvette type of, I don't know what it is exactly, but covers from seeing the full view. Like, doesn't obstruct my view or anything, but it covers it when it's down. I can see perfectly fine out the back. But I did add in these lights that turn on with the trunk. Just some LED lights. and I hooked them up just like this. Pretty basic setup. Pull them out right there, as you can see. It's just attached to the trunk light. So as soon as I close it, it'll turn off as well. So you can see they're on right now. Close it, go around and show y'all. My bad with the mess. And see, the lights are off. And that's how you view from the back. Also, that's how it sees. See that symbol up there? Very nice. Alright, let's get it to focus. And right there, you can see it down there. It's the 8-rib one, so you know, if I ever had to go supercharged or turbocharged, I can. I'll just have to key it. I did not key the crank on this one. But overall, I've had it on for about 2 weeks now. And the differences I felt, like performance-wise, I wouldn't say it gained a whole lot. I didn't do it too much for performance. I did it more for the reliability, because I know the wobbler or the balancer starts wobbling a lot on these cars. But the difference I did feel is it pulls very nicely throughout the whole RPM band, and the shifting feels slightly smoother. I don't know what that had to do with the shifting, but it definitely felt a little smoother. But yeah, got more things to come. If you guys have any questions, I can try to figure it out. But other than that, try to get more videos in, clips, races, and all that. But if you guys enjoy, just go ahead and like and subscribe.